in 1948 at Quetta, the custodians of discipline, with its motto, Inzbar.
सलामी के चबूतरे की जानिब तशरीफ ला रहे हैं।
Pakistan and Sri Lanka enjoy a strong and historical relationship based on mutual respect, confidence, and trust. Around 7,000 members of Sri Lankan armed forces have been trained in feelings between both the nations cannot be described in simple words. Preservation of French Buddhist culture by the government of Pakistan makes the country even more attractive and respectful to the Sri Lankans.
श्रीलंका के सर माइत्रीपाला सिरिसेना जो आज तकरीब के गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर पाकिस्तान श्रीलंका मेतुदामा दिकुकल पावातीवा मेतुदामा दिकुकल पावातीवा लॉन्ग लिव